Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy that you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 treats from cake scraps. We're going to be making cake scrap biscotti and cake scrap ice cream bonbons. Yum! You remember from my last video, I made a funfetti birthday cake for my son. And I had to redo the cake because in the first cake I made, I didn't add the sprinkles. So it wouldn't be a funfetti cake. So I took the first cake that I made, and that's what we're going to use to make the biscotti and the ice cream bonbons. Cake scrap biscotti. And we're going to cut this into pieces. I have my oven preheating at 275. And we just want this to kind of brown up as it's baking, like a biscotti would. So I'm going to have these in the oven, I guess, for about 30 minutes. So at 15 minutes, I'll turn them over so that they can brown on the other side. Look at how delicious these cake biscotti turned out. See how they're golden on each side? Now I've melted some chocolate in the microwave. So what you're going to do is you're going to take each biscotti and you're just going to put it in. You're going to let the chocolate drip back and put it right back onto your parchment. And just for fun, I'm going to take some sprinkles. These are fall type sprinkles, just to give it a little added color, little added pop. All right, here we go. Time to taste one. Here we go. This is so delicious. It's crusty on the outside, but on the inside it's really cakey. It's not like your typical biscotti that you would buy. This would go perfect in the morning, I think, with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whichever is your heart's desire. Cake scrap ice cream bonbons. Who doesn't like ice cream? These ice cream bonbons are a favorite of mine. You want to crumble up your cake scraps. I use my mini food processor. Toast them up in a pan until they're golden, no oil needed. Scoop out your ice cream onto a cookie sheet with parchment and put them back in the freezer while you get your cake crumbs ready. Decided to mix in some sprinkles because why not? It'll also give the bonbons some nice color. Coat your bonbons with the cake crumb mixture, put them on a plate, and get them back in the freezer. All right, they're out of the freezer. They're pretty frozen. Let's try one. If you've ever had fried ice cream, that's what it tastes like to me. So this would be perfect if you're just craving a little ice cream snack. Just go into your freezer, pull one out, there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I had fun. I hope you did too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Be on the lookout for my next video where I make a bread pudding except with cake scraps. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.